Hey my friend, welcome to Queen's Camille channel. As you can see, your girl is rocking her beautiful hair and I absolutely love my Microlocs. It has been 5 months now. I installed my own Microlocs. I did not go to any loctician to do it. I started this myself. It was the perfect time, almost like God was telling me now is the time to do it. See, I had such beautiful hair, but for some reason I was not wearing my hair because my hair took so much time, and so I was just wearing wigs, right? And I couldn't do it anymore. I said I have such beautiful hair and I wasn't doing anything with it. So to make a long story short, I was pregnant last year. I had my baby in July, and I decided to start the journey in September. Sorry, I decided to start the journey in September. My baby just kept sleeping. He would sleep during the day, and I took the time to part my hair in grids, and this is how I was able to knock it out. I believe I had it in about 6 grids, 6 parts, and I started to do them as small as I can. Now I started the process of the 2-strand twist as it's just 5 months, but there's some knots halfway here and the rest is like 2-strand twists. I'm absolutely loving the process of my hair because as you know, I didn't start off with short hair. My hair was medium length, and as you can see, that was my hair. I had good volume here, but I decided this is the time for me to rock my Microlocs. I'm absolutely loving it though, because I feel like it really suits my face. I mean, it's not as long as I thought it would. When I just started it, it was very long because I guess my hair was stretched, but now I'm in that phase where I'm having that fuzziness. Now I want to tell you, because a lot of people talk about not using products in their hair. I have been using products in my hair. My hair is so dry, I just can't do it. So I do spritz my hair with water. I use Blue Magic for my hair to just to make it nice and bouncy, and to me it looks as if it wants to lock. Since I've been washing my hair, I believe I wash my hair like every month, and when I do wash my hair, I don't have to retwist anything. Like, it really locks because my hair is kinky. It's 4C type, so I didn't have much to. The only thing I had to do was to retype my hair, and I absolutely love it. So yeah, I just wanted to share my 5 months journey with you. Like I said, my hair is medium length, but I absolutely love it. What thoughts come to mind when you think about Microloc? Have you started your journey? How has been your experience? I mean, for me, mine is great. I love the fact when I wash my hair, I can just let it dry and I'm good to go. That is what I love the best, because I never had those moments, right? Usually with my natural hair, it takes so much time. When I wash it, I have to prep it, I have to detangle, I have to do so many different things to it, and as a result of that, I lost interest. And I'm so glad that I decided to take this step and start rocking my hair, and I really love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it around so you can see what it looks like, because I feel like I need to let you see all around. So this is how it looks. This is one side of it. I know, right? I know I keep playing in the hair since the time I've been talking, right? This is the other side. Yeah, I'm absolutely loving it. So yes, this is it. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also to subscribe if you're brand new to this channel. Until then, we'll see you around. Thank you for watching and be blessed.